Today our class got a golden opportunity to conduct the assembly on World Organ Donation Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mansirat. I am here speaking lines on World Organ Donation Day. Warm wishes you World Organ Donation Day. World Organ Donation Day reminds each one of us that all have the chance to donate our organ and leave something good for someone else. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Deepran Gupta of class 4C Carnation. I have got golden opportunity to conduct digital assembly. Our today's assembly is about Organ Donation Day. Organ Donation Day is observed every year on 13th August. The aim of this day to motivate normal human beings to donate their organs after death and spread awareness about the importance of organ donation. Thank you.
The World Blood Donor Day slogan will be "Give and blood keep the world beating." The message highlighted the essential contribution blood donor make to keeping the world pulsating by saving lives.
Morning everyone. Today I am Maninder of class 4th. Carnation is here to present a thought. The thought of the day is set an example for others to follow. Donate your organ to save many lives. Thank you.